Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm gonna be doing a DIY honeycomb grill on my Alfa Romeo GT. If you want to check out the part 1 of the Scudetto revamp, I'm gonna put the link into the description below. Also, if you want to check out how to remove the grill without disassembling the whole bumper, I'm gonna add a link to that as well. Now the method you're gonna see today is pretty much the simplest way to do this mod, and it doesn't require any modification to the existing grill. This is what I'm starting with. I got a piece of the honeycomb grill, and I'm gonna take the insert from the original grill and make the outline on it so I can cut it out. Alright, here's the new insert. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take my plastic dip in matte black and I'm gonna paint it so it matches the rest of the Scudetto. One of the issues that I have are these horizontal bars on the bumper. They are painted gray and they're gonna stick out if I put the new insert over them. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my plastic dip again and I'm gonna paint matte black over them. Since I'm not gonna use the original insert, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna secure the outer part of the Scudetto, and I'm gonna do that using these plastic screw-in rivets. I'm gonna put 2 of them on the bottom side right here from the inside, and I'm gonna add 2 more on the top from the outside. The biggest issue using this method is how to secure the new insert. Now, if I make any kind of bracket or anything like that, it's not gonna look good, and it's gonna ruin the overall look. So what I'm basically gonna do, I'm gonna use some automotive silicone in the syringe, and I'm gonna add a small layer on the back side of the insert so it sticks down to the horizontal bars on the bumper. It's gonna look sleek, and the silicone is gonna resist all the weather conditions and the temperatures. Finally, let's check out the end result. I don't know how well can you see it on the camera, but the new honeycomb insert came out great. It really complements the car, and it gives it a touch of that modern Alfa Romeo design you could see on the later models. Now this little project right here cost me maybe like 30 euros, and as you can see from the video, it's very easy to do. Here's another closer look. In my opinion, it really looks great, although many of the purists won't agree with me. However, the best part about this little project is that it is completely reversible. So if I wanna revert it to the original Scudetto, I can do that easily. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of our 50.